Have you got a really clear and compelling unique value proposition, sometimes called unique selling proposition, for your business? Have you written it down? Has it passed the tests it needs to pass to really resonate with your consumers? If your answer is no or maybe, then this article is definitely for you. And the first part of this series of articles, I'm going to look at the three things. I'm going to look at the three major things that you need to do, you need to know, perhaps you need to research in order to put your unique value proposition together. Check the links below, enjoy the articles, and enjoy many more like it within the No Limits community. And as usual, if you've got any questions or any feedback, please get involved. I look forward to hearing your questions and your feedback.